Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this style that is perfect for long and short curly hair. So let's get into it. I just took my pintail comb and did a regular side parting. And then on both sides, I'm going to part right behind my ear. Took my water bottle and I just sprayed down the part that I'm going to start flat twisting, and then I just started from the bottom, parted a little section. For the flat twist, you're going to grab it as close to your scalp as possible, twisting up and away from your face, and each time each hand is going to secure the twist as closely as possible to where you last twisted it. And I like to twist it off my scalp a little bit further, just to make sure that the flat twist is secured for when I go and put the hair tie in. Now on the other side, I parted this part again, just smaller because I made it too big in the beginning. And then we're going to put the rest of our hair up in a ponytail, leaving that piece out. We're going to use it later. I wet the back just to make sure it was nice and sleek using my bristle brush. And then securing that with a nicely big hair tie. And we're just going to start it off with a ponytail first. Now taking that ponytail and lightly twisting it and then wrapping it around as a bun. I liked it to be messy, so you can make it as clean or as messy as you want. But I like when the curls are showing and it kind of has like an effortless look to it. And then I just grabbed a thinner hair tie and wrapped it around to secure the bun in place. That front piece is going to be slicked back, so I'm just wetting it down and slicking it with my bristle brush. Once that's all slicked down how you like it, I took some bobby pins and I just pinned it one right behind my ear. I actually did two, so I did a crisscross motion with these. And then for the rest of that hair, I just took it up and wrapped it around my bun, and then I also secured it at the top there with just another bobby pin. And then I took my pintail comb and flattened out the back where we had the little piece, just to make sure it was even and seamless all throughout. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!